ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। Bhagwan Krishna has explained 12 yajnas, and among all those yajnas, Jnana Yajna is superior. Dravya Yajnas, Tapo Yajnaha, Yoga Yajnas Tatha Pare, Swadhyaya Jnana Yajnascha. Like that, so many yajnas Bhagavan has explained. Among them, Jnana Yajna is superior. Why? Shreyan Dravyamaya Yajnat Jnana Yajna Parantapa Sarvam Karma Khilam Partha Jnane Parisamapyate. Knowledge, the Yajna, spirit of knowledge is going to dissolve all my karmas and it is going to give me moksha right here, right now. Then, how to get that knowledge? Bhagwan Krishna is going to address that today. The process of how to gain the knowledge. Whom should we ask? Very important, big topic Bhagwan Krishna is dealing today. Please do not miss out on any verse, any word. तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः तत् विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनः तत्त्वदर्शिनः प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया तत्त्वदर्शिनः ज्ञानिनः ज्ञानं ते उपदेक्षन्ति तत् त्वं विद्धि. Beautiful verse. How to gain knowledge in life, or what is the right appropriate way to reach God through Guru. What is the appropriate way to approach Guru? Beautiful verses. Let us see the meaning. Now, Bhagwan Krishna says, Pranipatena. You first prostrate, fall flat. Pariprashnena. Then you ask relevant questions. Then you do seva. Okay. Bhagwan, if I want to get knowledge, what should I do? Follow these steps. Okay. Can I ask you questions, O Bhagwan? Bhagwan says, no. If you want knowledge, Bhagwan is not telling that come to me. I will give you knowledge. Bhagwan is telling go to people who are endowed with two qualities. One is Tattva Darshinah. Second is Jnaninah. Here the secret of entire spirituality is hidden. And once you go to such people with appropriate process, then they will give you knowledge. And that knowledge you must know. Tat, that knowledge, very important, you must know it. See here how Bhagavan Krishna is humble. He is telling, if you want knowledge, go to these people. He is not still telling, come to me. Okay. If you want knowledge how to approach people, that also he is telling. So first you prostrate. Then you ask a relevant question. Then you do seva. To whom? Tattvadarshinaha jnaninaha. So here two important aspect of gurus are given. Very important. Our guru should be Tattvadarshi and Jnani. So sometimes what happens in the world? Sometimes Guru is not Jnani. He may be Tattvadarshi. Sometimes he is Tattvadarshi, may not be Jnani. So Guru should have two qualities. Two qualities. One of them is Tattvadarshinaha. He should be always reveling in Brahman. Tattvadarshi, Tattva, Brahma, Darshi, one who sees, one who experience, one who dwells in that. That is the real teacher, one who dwells in Brahma. Any problem comes, he doesn't run here and there. He knows that I am Brahma. Always revels in Brahma. And Jnaninaha, one who has the knowledge of scriptures. It is called Jnani. If you see nowadays in the market of gurus, they don't bring scriptures. They say scriptures are useless. Don't go to such gurus. Few people say only scriptures. They don't tell you the actual Brahma Tattva. Only scriptures, one after the other, they study. And in words only, they are entangled. So, find out a teacher who knows scriptures. And from those scriptures, actually, who can realize you the self. And you will also revel in the self. So those people will give knowledge. Beautiful verses. Naneshwar Maharaj is going to change the sequence. Bhagavan said, first you prostrate, then you ask a question. Naneshwar Maharaj says, wait, first you serve, then ask question. First you serve. That is important. Serving come first, then asking question and falling flat. There are people in Varkari Sampradaya, they think also someone can do false prostration, false namaskar. Someone can ask cunning questions to trap the person who is next to you. So questions and prostration can be fake, but seva cannot be fake for longer time. If you are serving someone, Guru will understand whether you are truthful, genuine or not. So he says first is seva. ते ज्ञान पैगा बरवे जरी मणी अथी अनावे तरी संताया भजावे सर्वस्वेसी. Beautiful verse. We should memorize this verse. ते ज्ञान पैगा बरवे जरी मणी अथी अनावे तरी संताया भजावे सर्वस्वेसी. So this knowledge is very, very superior, lofty thing. Barave. Jnana Barave. Jari Mani Athi Anave. If you want that knowledge, if you are desirous of that knowledge, what you should do? Santaya Bhajave Sarvasveshi. You should serve Santa Mahatma wholeheartedly. Sarvasveshi. Santaya Bhajave. Wholeheartedly, you should serve Santa Mahatma. Sarvasveshi, he is going to explain what it is. So, first step to get knowledge is serve Santa Mahatma. Mm, there is one famous verse. How come I forgot? Uh, Very famous verse, Eknath Maharaj Ji's. If you want knowledge, there is one upaya. Hari prapti si हरी प्राप्ती शिव उपाय धरावे संतांचे ते पाय धरावे संतांचे ते पाय धरावे संतांचे ते पाय हरी प्राप्तीचे उपाय धरावे संतांचे ते पाय फर्स्ट थिंग देन जे ज्ञानाचा कुरुठा तेथ सेवा हा दारवंटा तो स्वाधीन करे सुभटा ओळगोनी जे ज्ञानाचा कुरुठा तेथ सेवा हा दारवंटा तो स्वाधीन करी सुभटा वोळगोणी जे ज्ञानाचा कुरुठा if knowledge is the house if or knowledge is the house to that house the entrance is seva daravanta entrance or a threshold tetha seva ha daravanta means unless you cross the threshold or entrance you cannot enter in the house. In the same way, if knowledge is the house, then seva is the entrance. You cannot you cannot enter into the house without serving that without going through entrance. So you have to go to entrance first and that to swadhin kare subata olgoni and that seva you can okay. So this house is the no this knowledge is the house and entrance is the seva. That seva you do such a way that everything comes to you. Swadhina kari subhata olgoni. Everything comes under your control. Everything comes in your favor by doing seva that you gain in your life. How to do seva? तनु मनु जीवे चरणासी लागावे आणि अगरवता करावे दास्य सकळ तरी तनु मनु जीवे चरणासी लागावे आणि अगरवता करावे दास्य सकळ हाऊ टू डू सेवा तनु मनु जीवे your body should render service to your teacher mind you should give to teacher and your feelings hearts your life you should give to teacher and serve him charanasi lagave you always be near to his feet whatever he wants you give whatever he doesn't want you remove that you wholeheartedly serve by body mind and intellect and agaravata karave dasya sakala you become his servant agarvata without any pride no pride in the mind you are very humble then once you achieve this state where you are not arrogant you are wholeheartedly serving your teacher then you ask him then he will give you the knowledge मग अपेक्षित जे आपुले तेही सांगती पुसले जेणे अंतःकरण बोधले संकल्पा नये मग अपेक्षित जे आपुले तेही सांगती पुसले जेणे अंतःकरण बोधले संकल्पा नये then once you serve once you become humble then अपेक्षित जे आपुले whatever you want to know तेही सांगती that they will tell how pusile when you ask then whatever you want they will tell you means whatever questions you have about yourself about this world about sadhana that they will tell you जेने अंतःकरण बोधले संकल्पा नये Jene, by that, after telling you the answers, antakarana bodhale, then you will have the wisdom. Then you will have knowledge in your heart. Sankalpa naye. Then after that, there is no sankalpa. There are no doubts in your heart because knowledge has taken the place in your heart. What is the result of that knowledge? Bhagwan Krishna is explaining in further shloka. Yajñātvā na punaramoham evam yasyasi pandava yena bhutanyasheshena द्रक्ष्यस्यात्मन्यथो मयि यज्ञात्वा न पुनर्मोहम् एवं यास्यसि पाण्डव येन भूतान्यशेषेण द्रक्ष्यस्यात्मन्यथो मयि. There is some printing mistake here. शेषेण, not शेष. This is not there. Okay. यद ज्ञात्वा न पुनर्मोहम एवं यास्यसि पांडव येन भूतानि ओ अशेषेण द्रक्ष्यसि आत्मनि अथ मयि अथो मयि यद ज्ञात्वा न पुनर्मोहम एवं यास्यसि पांडव. दिस मच इज नो डाउट इन दैट. येन भूतानि अशेषेण, नॉट अशेषाणि, द्रक्ष्यसि आत्मनि अथः मयि. So there are two readings which are not very popular, but it is there. You see here, no doubt. Hey Pandava, O Arjuna, yad jnatva, having known the secret of yourself, having known yourself as infinite, punah, you, tvam, punah, again, evam moham na yasyasi. In this way, you will not have again delusion. Now Arjuna is in delusion that should I fight or not? Should I do my dharma or not? Should I kill this enemy or not? Should I run back? Should I go and beg alms? So many questions, yes. Confusion, moha, wrong thinking. Once you know this, you won't have any wrong thinking. What will happen? Yena, because of this knowledge, bhutani, entire beings, all beings, asheshena, completely, atmani mai drakshasi. Atha, thereafter, after this knowledge, all human beings you will see in yourself. Asheshena bhutani, all human beings, atmani mai drakshasi, so that you will see entire human beings in atmani, in me. That is Bhagavan is telling here. In our, this is from Swami Bodhatmananda Saraswati ji. He says in Bhagavad Gita, this is Mahavakya. So all human beings you will see in Atma, in me. Bhagavan is saying you will see all human beings, entire world in me. In me means in Bhagavan. And then he say Atmani. So there is no difference between Bhagavan and Atma. So this is Aikya. Once again I'll explain. This is very important topic. Entire circus of this spirituality we are doing so that we can understand our Swarupa. I am Brahma. I am infinite. That I should understand. How will I understand? When Mahavakya is uttered, I can understand I am Brahma. Mahavakya means what? The oneness of Paramatma and me. So here Bhagavan says all human beings you will see in me. And then immediately he puts the word Atmani. So me is nothing but Atma. Bhagavan. Me means Bhagavan. So Bhagavan is nothing but Atma. Atma is nothing but Bhagavan. Now let's go further. जया वाक्याचे नि उजिवडे जाहले चित्त निधडे ब्रह्माचे निपाडे निशंकु होय जयाचे नि वाक्य उजिवडे जाहले चित्त निधडे Brahmache nipade nishanku hoya. So once you hear Tattvamasi Upadesha from Jnani and Tattvadarshi. You prostrate, you serve, you ask question. Then what happens? Jaya Cheni Vakya Ujivade means when that words are hitting your eardrum and you understand them, then what happens? Chitta nidhade jhale, your heart become fearless. There is no fear. What is the output of this Brahma Jnanam? You become fearless. You don't have any fear. I will lose this, I will lose that, I will die. That also it is not there. Because Brahma Jnanam has told you, you are immortal. You are unperishable. That is why you are nidhade, fearless. Brahma and Naneshwar Maharaj, how brilliant he is. Brilliant word is also short for him. How great he is. He is using Siddhanta as example. Generally, what happens if there is some Siddhanta, some principle to prove that we will give examples. Now he is using Siddhanta as example, just like Brahma has no doubt in it, no thoughts in it. Brahma cheni pade, like that Brahma chitta nidhade jahale. There is no doubt in my heart. Just like Brahma is doubtless, my heart is also doubtless after listening my teacher's word. Tattvamasi. ते वेळे आपण पयासहिते ये अशेष ही भूते माझ्या स्वरूपे अखंडिते देखशी तू. ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज मेक्स इट मोर क्लिअर. ते वेळे आपण पयासहिते ये अशेष ही भूते माझ्या स्वरूपी अखंडिते देखशी तू. देन ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज से along with yourself means your body also you will see in me. Your body, along with everyone, you will see in my undivided nature. You will also see. Means you will see in yourself along with your body and in this entire world. Te means once you hear that sentence, Tattvamasi, then you become fearless. Apanpeya sahite, along with thyself. ये अशेष ही भूते, all these human beings, माझ्या स्वरूपी, in my nature, in me, तू अखंडिते देखशी, और माझ्या स्वरूपी अखंडिते, my undivided eternal form, in that you will see. Then what will happen? ऐसे ज्ञान प्रकाशे पाहेल तै मोहांधकारू जाईल जय गुरु कृपा होईल पार्थागा. ऐसे ज्ञान प्रकाशे पाहेल तै मोहांधकारू जाईल जय गुरु कृपा होईल पार्थागा. ऐसे ज्ञान प्रकाशे पाहेल. So one this light of wisdom is there. When it dawns, when the light of wisdom dawns, mohandhakaru zail. This moha and andhakara will go away. When Jai Guru Krupa Hoil Parthaga. If there is Guru Krupa, then only this is possible. So, with the help of Guru Krupa, all my wrong thinking, delusion, problems will go away. But Guru Krupa should reflect in knowledge, not in any other thing. Guru Krupa, people say, Guru will keep hand on me and then I'll become immortal. Guru will give you knowledge, not any tana tona, nothing else, some powder, something, and nothing else. He will give you knowledge. That is only true teacher. Don't go to such teacher who gives some things and in hand they'll put something. As a faith, you can have it. This is there, then I'll become more immortal. Knowledge will give you everything. No, but I am very sinner, big sinner. I am not small sinner. I have done so many papam. Will I be liberated? Bhagavan says, why not? अपि चेदसि पापेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः पापकृत्तमः सर्वं ज्ञानप्लवेनैव वृजिनं सन्तरिष्यसि अपि चेदसि पापेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः पापकृत्तमः सर्वं ज्ञानप्लवेनैव वृजिनं सन्तरिष्यसि दैवम् एव अपरे यज्ञं योगिनः पर्युपासते. Oh, there is something wrong in this. Okay, I haven't changed it. Ha. So there only I'll do. Api chet asi papebhyah. This you forget now. Okay, I should not cut it, but still. अपि चेत् असि पापेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः पापकृत्तम सर्वं ज्ञानप्लवेन एव वृजिनं सन्तरिष्यसि. Then अन्वय त्वं means you. सर्वेभ्यः पापेभ्यः from all the papiest people, the sinnest people in this world. Api papakruttama, you are the sinner among all sinnest people in this world. Then also asi, if you are chit, even though you are there, sarvam brujinam, all papam, jnanaplavena eva santarishyasi, all papam you will transcend with the help of this boat, which is knowledge. So you may be the sinner of the top sinner people, but if knowledge is there, you will cross the papam. So knowledge will take care of everything. Don't worry. You may be the sinner. So we have so many examples like Ratnakar. Narad Muni gave him knowledge. He could write Ramayana. So you can be the greatest sinner, most sinful of all sinners. Still you will cross the papam because boat is there to help you. जरी कल्मशांचा आगरू तो भ्रांतीचा सागरू व्यामोहाचा डोंगरू होऊन यससी जरी कल्मशांचा आगरू तू भ्रांतीचा सागरू व्यामोहाचा डोंगरू होऊन यससी इवन दो जरी कल्मशांचा आगरू यू आर अबोर्ड ऑफ ऑल द पापस तू भ्रांतीचा सागरू यू आर द ओशन ऑफ डेल्युजन कन्फ्युजन व्यामोहाचा डोंगरू and you are the mountain of infatuation होवोनी अससी so you may be the abode of sin, you may be the ocean of confusion, you may be the mountain of infatuation. Still तरी ज्ञानशक्तीचे निपाडे हे आघवेची गात होकडे ऐसे सामर्थ्य असे चोखडे ज्ञानी ये तरी ज्ञानशक्तीचे निपाडे हे आघवेची गात होकडे ऐसे सामर्थ्य असे चोखडे ज्ञानी ये तरी ज्ञानशक्तीचे निपाडे बिकॉज ऑफ बिकॉज ऑफ power of this jnana shakti jnana because of the power of knowledge हे आगवेची गाथ होकडे all problems in this worlds all papam in this world they are short insignificant trivial in front of this knowledge ऐसे सामर्थ्य से चोखडे that kind of potential caliber is there power is there in this pure knowledge. So here knowledge doesn't mean the knowledge of objects. It means knowledge of self. So that knowledge of self has so much power where everything falls short. Everything appears insignificant. Now Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, this world, how big it is, how powerful it is, but that also falls short in front of this knowledge. The word, the precise usage of this word is too good. देखे विश्व भ्रमा ऐसा जो अमृताचा कडवसा तो जयाचिया प्रकाशा पुरेचिना. देखे विश्व भ्रमा ऐसा जो अमृताचा कडवसा तो जयाचिया प्रकाशा पुरेचिना. देखे, you see, Vishwabhrama Aisa. So this world, Dhaneshwar Maharaj say it is a Brahma, illusion, not true, not real. The words or usage of words you see. Jo Amrutacha Kadavasa, which is the shadow of this immortal Brahma, formless Brahma. So this form, which is illusion, it is the shadow of Brahma, which has no form. How it is possible? The thing which doesn't have form, its shadow comes. Generally, where does shadow appear? When there is a person standing, person has a form, then only shadow comes. But this world is shadow of this Brahma. And this, since this is illusion, na purechi zayachiya prakasha, in front of it, the Brahma Tattva, this world doesn't stand. This world doesn't hold any stand in front of this Brahma. That powerful, knowledgeful is this Brahma. Then, तया कायसे हे मनोमळ हे बोलताची अति किडाळ नाही येणे पाडे ढिसाळ दुजे जगी. तया कायसे हे मनोमळ हे बोलताची अति किडाळ नाही येणे पाडे ढिसाळ दुजे जगी. Then in front of this knowledge, कायसे हे मनोमळ, where is this impurity of mind? Nothing. हे बोलताची अति किडाळ. This sounds insulting if I say this impurity of mind is something that in front of Brahma. In front of Brahma, this world doesn't stand. What is the, where is this impurity of mind? So it is pure, means mind is, Brahma is so pure where nothing matters to it. Whether you are impure mind, still you are Brahma. Still that same knowledge, consciousness you have. But that doesn't mean you should not pure your mind. Unless we pure our mind, that knowledge won't be available for a long time. नाही येणे पाडे ढिसाळ दुजे जगी. So there is no powerful thing in this world. Dhisal, very powerful, very strong in this world. There is nothing other than knowledge. So we must seek knowledge. We must strive for knowledge. In front of that knowledge, impurity of mind, everything, entire world doesn't stay for a long time. What is the power of this knowledge? What is the result of this knowledge? Explained in this shloka. यथैधांसि समिद्धोऽग्निः भस्मसात् कुरुते अर्जुन ज्ञानाग्निः सर्वकर्माणि भस्मसात् कुरुते तथा. यथैधांसि समिद्धोऽग्निः भस्मसात् कुरुते अर्जुन ज्ञानाग्निः सर्वकर्माणि भस्मसात् कुरुते तथा. यथा एधांसि समिद्धः अग्निः भस्मसात् कुरुते अर्जुन ज्ञानाग्निः सर्वकर्माणि भस्मसात् कुरुते तथा. Beautiful shloka. Hey Arjuna, O Arjuna, यथा as समिद्धः अग्निः, well kindled fire, एधांसि भस्मसात् कुरुते, it burns completely woods. तथा ज्ञानाग्नि सर्वकर्माणि भस्मसात् कुरुते, तथा this knowledge of fire burns out all the karmas, just like fire burns. So there is thinking on this. First we will see verses and then we will go for more thinking. सांगे भुवनत्रयाची काजळी, जे गगनामाजी उधवली, तिये प्रळयीची वावुटळी काय अभ्रपुरे. सांगे भुवनत्रयाची काजळी, जे गगनामाजी उधवली, तिये प्रळयीची वावुटळी काय अभ्रपुरे. So there are three worlds, and three world turns into ashes. How much ash will be there? So much. So that Tribhuvanachi that ash of entire three worlds, Je Gaganamaji Udavali, that ash took all the way up to in the sky. So that ash of three worlds, it was lifted by the wind, powerful wind in the sky. By whom? Pralayiche Vahutari. So when entire world is in dissolution form, that time one element starts, you know, going back. So first this entire world dissolves into water. Then water is dried up by wind. So the entire world turn into ashes. That ash is taken in the sky by this wind, the storm of or a cyclone of this wind. And in front of that wind, where is the chance of staying there by these clouds? Means in front of this furious, storm, how that cloud will stand in front of storm where the ash of entire three world is taken into air? It won't stand. Like that, all my karmas, they will be zoop, disappeared into the sky when the knowledge is there. So all my karma will be disappeared in front of this knowledge that he wants to tell. So he brings poetry here, three world, then ash, it goes into air. What to talk about? The sky, the clouds in the sky. We didn't understand this. We have never seen cyclone, this, that. Okay. की पवनाचे नि कोपे पाणीयेचे जो पळीपे, तो प्रळयानळू दडपे तृष्णे काठे का काष्ठे काई. की पवनाचे नि कोपे पाणीयेची जो पळीपे, तो प्रळयानळू दडपे तृष्णे काष्ठे काई. So there is wind blowing like anything. Wind blowing. Pavanache ni kope, that wind is very furious. And that wind is so much so that uh, this fire which is there at the end of this entire universe, pralaya, the end of universe, anala, fire. So that fire which is there in the at the end of entire universe, that just by water, just by water, that fire takes a bigger form. And on the top of that, there is wind also to support it. At that time, that fire, will it value insignificant wood and grass? No, that will easily burn. So the fire, the furious fire, which just takes a bigger form with the help of some water, and there is wind also to support it. That kind of fire, how it will count this small grass and woods. It will burn it away. So, like that, this knowledge will burn all the karmas. So, let us understand all karmas means there are three karmas. One is Sanchita karma, another Prarabdha karma, Kriyaman karma. Sanchita, Prarabdha, Kriyaman. Sanchita karma means our full account where so much karma is there. Prarabdha karma, out of that karma, I have taken small amount of karma to live this life. Okay, and Kriyaman karma, where I am going to do karma as I got this body. Little bit difficult to understand. Simply way I can tell, we have 1 lakh rupees money in our account. Out of that, 20,000 I have taken to spend in this month. And I am right now, when I took 20,000 on the 1st April, you say, then I am going to work till 30th April. Means what? This 30 days also I am going to work and I am going to earn money. So already there is so much money in my account. Out of that little bit money I have taken for 1 month. And when I took money, that time also I am working so that again I will get money. Same way, Sanchit karma means so much karma we have in our account. Out of that few karmas Bhagavan has given me to spend in this life. And in this life itself, I do so much karma, I get more karma phala. So when we get the knowledge, that time all karmas are burnt. Sanchit, Kriyaman, and Prarabdha only remains. Why? We will think later. But all Prarabdha is also for Jiva, not for me. I am not Jiva. So Prarabdha also, actually speaking, it ends. So when we get knowledge, I am Brahma, then Sanchit karma, Prarabdha karma, Kriyaman karma, all karmas are gone. I don't have any results of karma now because I am not Jiva who was doing karma and who is going through everything. I am not Karta, I am not Bhokta. I am Akarta, Abhokta, Brahma. And Brahma doesn't have any karma. So this is how all karmas will go away. Why Prarabdha karma will not go? If Prarabdha karma goes, then people will die as soon as they get the knowledge because my body is functioning because of Prarabdha karma. If knowledge removes Prarabdha karma also, then body will die. Means people will say, Aham Brahmasmi, died. Why? Knowledge removed all karmas. So all karma it won't remove. Prarabdha karma will be there. That is why people are jnani, but they get cancer. People are realized, but they have their challenges in their life. So Prarabdha karma will be there. All other two karmas will go away. Hmm. सद्गुरु नायके पूर्ण कृपा केली निज वस्तू दाविली माझी मज सद्गुरु नायके पूर्ण कृपा केली निज वस्तू दाविली माझी मज माझे रूप मज दावियले डोळा माझे रूप मज दावियले डोळा दिधली प्रेम कळा ध्यान मुद्रा दिदली प्रेम कळा ध्यान मुद्रा तया उतराई भाव होऊ कवन्या गुणे तया उतराई होऊ कवन्या गुणे जन्म नाही येणे ऐसे केले जन्म नाही येणे ऐसे केले माझे रूप मज दावियले डोळा दिधली प्रेम कळा ध्यान मुद्रा दिधली प्रेम कळा ध्यान मुद्रा नामा म्हणे निशिदावियली सोय नामा म्हणे निखिदावियली सोय नविसंबे पाय खेचराचे नविसंबे पाय खेचराचे माझे रूप मज दावियले डोळा माझे रूप मज दावियले डोळा दिधली प्रेम कळा ध्यान मुद्रा दिधली प्रेम कळा ध्यान मुद्रा माझे रूप मज दावियले डोळा माझे रूप मज दावियले डोळा. There are some changes in this verse, actually speaking, but fine. Don't take it strictly. I just copied from internet. Oh, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 पुंडलिक वरदा हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ महाराज की जय माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम.